Hey guys, just want to do a quick update video, letting everybody know that the fire has closed officially. The two main partners couldn't get along and blah blah blah, stuff that we don't need to worry about. So update in the car, the tuner flaked, as everybody knows, so I am working with Flying Ryan out of Texas once I get everything situated the way I want to. And I'm gonna redo a whole new tune. I have a extra computer that's HP unlocked instead of the Diablo computer that I've been having issues with, so I'm going to get with him on that and go from there. I will be changing some things because Flying Ryan does have strict policies of emissions compliance, so which is understandable. So I will be changing my catless mid pipes to race cats on here, and then whatever else I need to do for him to make sure he does not get in trouble, because he's a really good guy and he's actually taking the time to go through this tune with me with no problem at all. And like I said, he's spot on it, and he's well known around the nation. So another thing I'm working with is CFR Performance out of Canada. So they have a nasty all-wheel drive Pursuit, and they're selling the kits. So the good thing about them, they're really nice people. I've been on the phone with them for the last probably week, you can say, and they actually have really good prices. So they are going to give me a discount code for everybody to use up to 5%. I think it's 5% of your entire order. I will make sure on that, but they have the kits there. And they also have a lot other stuff. Chevrolet, old school Ford, old school Mopar. I mean, they have it all. So, like I said, I'm gonna be hopefully working with them soon and get a nice discount code for you guys and kind of help everybody out and continue what I love to do, which is build race cars and help you guys do the same thing. Like always, if you guys got questions, comments, concerns, leave a comment. I will either get back to you, or I will tell you to email me, because it might be something I need to explain. And if you've been watching this channel, please just reach out to them and explain to them that I'm the real deal. Like, I want them to know that they can trust me, that what I say is bond, you know, and that I'm going to stand by with everything that I do. So, like I said, if you guys want to reach out to them and tell them that I've helped you over the past, or, you know, whatever, just to kind of, you know, ease their mind a little bit too. So, nothing really has changed. I put some new tires on the back because they were really bald, but they only last about a year anyway. So, but this is the update, guys. I mean, still looks the same, still drives good. Like I said, just still having that computer issue. It's a random code every once in a while that just makes the whole tune just freak out. Like, it drops power, starts shaking and everything. It's almost like there's a bad ignition coil or a coil driver. But I just got the computer back from Solo PCM, really good company down there in Miami. They've helped me out too, gone through the computer, everything's great, so it's definitely in the tune. So that'll be next on the list. Well guys, like always, I thank you for watching, and thank you for the support. Have a good day.